Thought I'd come down and have a look at some of this equipment as far as the testing and tag goes. But first of all, we'll look at why we need to test and tag. We've got a couple of bits of equipment here. We have an electric drill. This is classed as a double insulated electric drill because it has a plastic body on it, and it also has a symbol on there. I don't know whether you can pick that up, Richard, but there's a little symbol on there. Two squares, one inside the other. That indicates it's a double insulated machine, and they have to be tested a little bit differently to the others. The dusting machine, which is on this side, is not. It's a single insulated machine, and it must have a functioning earth. The most important thing. Okay, the dusting machine and the drill have tags on them. You can see the tag on there. It is due for re-tagging. The drill, which I found lying around here, is overdue and ready for re-tagging as well, so we'll test that. I also thought I'd pull out a couple of these new earth leakage circuit breakers and see what they're like. I've got one that's been sitting here for some reason, and I've also got a brand new one out of the box that we know functions, and we have all the gear that we use to test it in this box at the back. We mainly use this contraption here, which is a multi-function where it tests the double insulation, it tests the earth and the continuity and the polarity. Very efficient and easy to use bit of equipment. So that's all good. Righto. So we've also got an extension lead as well, which has been used, come out of a vehicle, but there's definitely something wrong with it, which we'll show. Okay. I might start off with this earth leakage circuit breaker for starters, because it's very easy to do this test, and it should be done every time it's used. Plugged into the power, we know it's got power. In fact, I can plug this drill in here and the drill works. So we know we've got power for that, and it'll work on all four of the outputs. But before you use it, you should make sure that this trips off. Alright? It's just a matter of pushing this test button here and it should click off. So that's the new one. It works exactly how it should do. You can test it a few times, and that should be done every time that is used to make sure that it's doing the job. Okay, so that one's fine. This one here also looks perfectly good. Alright, still looks fairly new, nice and clean. Plug it in. We can plug the drill into it anywhere we like. Turn it on, and it works fine. That's great. But when we look at the side of it, the test function does not work. Doesn't matter what you do, the test function is not working. So that earth leakage circuit breaker isn't anything more than just a power adapter at the moment, doing nothing. That needs to be either going back to the manufacturer or thrown in the bin. It is good for nothing. The switch on it just will not click off. Okay, so that's got to go in the bin.